guys, welcome back to my channel. Sweetness here. Thank you guys for visiting. So I'm going to be doing the 5th style for my box braids, and this style, I do this a lot. I do this style a lot, so I hope you guys like this style. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Like, comment, and subscribe. Any suggestions, you know what to do, okay? All right, guys, so what I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to be grabbing some from this side, right? So you start from a part where you are comfortable with. So I'm comfortable with somewhere over here, okay? So what you do is that you're going to be doing a braid, and I hope you guys know how to braid. And I'm going to be doing a braid just up to here, and I'm going to be putting half into a ponytail, okay? So what you do is you start over here and you braid.
All right, go.
And you just keep picking up and you just keep braiding, okay? And you guys will just keep going until you reach the corner. Okay, so and try to make it as neat as you can, because you know these styles look extra good when you make sure that they're neat, okay? So then you make sure half is down, or as much as you want, and grab what you can. If any braid is sticking up, you just make sure you just tuck it in, okay? You need to use any bobby pins, you can do so as well. So I pulled this one up as well, this side up. So it's all like out of. Now I'm going to grab my stocking, and I'm going to be making that knot. And I'll just grab that. This one I cut pretty too short. So make sure you don't cut your stocking too short. It's a little bit harder for you. So guys, this is the style. And that's it. Okay. So it's just a simple braid over here, catch up, and that is the style.
Okay.
So guys, if you like this, thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you on my next video. Thank you, sweeties. Take care. Bye.